Do you have a perfect listing presentation? Do you have a system that you are so confident in and so excited about that you know every time you go on a listing appointment, the seller's going to be asking you where to sign? If the answer is not a resounding 100% yes, then you're going to love this listing mastery course we've created. I've put into this every single thing that I've learned over the last 20 years to sell over $1 billion in residential real estate. And now I've packaged it in a simple 4-step process that you can do on your own. And I'm talking everything from the materials, what to say, how to show up, what to do, how to get signatures. You take this course, I guarantee you will take more listings, you will have better listing success, and you'll definitely make a lot more money. So enjoy it, study it, and as always, I wish you great success.